What's an amazing little-known fact about the human body? You mostly breathe out of one nostril at a time, and the dominant nostril switches every hour or so. When we get sunburn, that's not the heat of the sun that's hurting us most of the time, but it's little skin cells killing themselves to protect us from skin cancer. New video every day, your like and subscription will really help my channel. Babies are born without kneecaps. They develop around 2 years. They have a cartilage-like thing that protects the knees. Your heart rate increases about a minute before partaking in exercise. It is known as the anticipatory rise and happens involuntarily. You have enough potassium in your body to create a very small bomb. We can smell rain better than sharks can smell blood. You know the smell of rain or disturbed soil? It's a compound produced by bacteria called geosmin, and the human nose is extremely sensitive to it. We can smell it at as low a concentration as 5 parts per trillion. Eye immune privilege. Your immune system doesn't know your eyes exist. There's a chance that if you get an eye injury or an infection near your eyes, the immune system will think your eyes are a foreign body and you'll go blind. Bonus eye fact: your eyeballs never grow throughout your life. When you are born, your eyes are the same size as they will be when you are an adult. Your brain makes up on average about 2% of our body weight, but consumes 20% of all calories. We have an internal regulator that prevents us from using our full strength. Our muscles usually only work at about 60% max of what we are capable of. These regulators are because at full strength, we heavily damage our bodies. Essentially, you could lift something to the point where it is either lifted or your arm just breaks instead. Natural redheads require increased doses of anesthesia due to some connection with the mutated melanocortin-1 receptor. Cutting the corpus callosum connects 2 brain hemispheres can produce some freaky results, such as your hand doing things that your conscious mind is aware of, writing a sentence or scratching an itch without knowing, for instance. Some people will cough if they put something in one ear. A very small percentage will cough if something is in either ear. It is called Arnold's ear cough reflex. Women are actually programmed to forget the pain of childbirth after a few months or so. If this didn't happen, most women would only end up having 1 child, which would eventually lower the population. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Thanks, Fight Club. Your liver can regenerate, and much faster than you think. I had a quarter of my liver removed, and a month later, it was back. The cornea is the only part of the body without blood flow. It gets oxygen directly from the air. Straight hair comes out of a round follicle, and curly hair comes out of an oval-shaped follicle. Your like and subscription will really help my channel.